Okay, so it's been recorded. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning, how are you today?
Fine.
I'm fine.
Fine, alhamdulillah. Okay, hopefully everyone is in a good health, yeah, even though in this pandemic situation. I think the COVID-19 spread has become large. So hopefully everyone is in a good health. Well, okay, everyone. So today we're going to have a synchronous meeting. So it's been long to not meeting you for like several weeks. And today we're going to have a different material than previous meetings. So today's material is about talking about your inspirational person. Do you have one anyway? Do you have someone who inspire you? Or someone you idolize? Yes, I have, Robbie said. What about others? Do you have someone who inspires you?
Yes, of course.
Yes. May I know, Mbak Salsabila? Who is she or he?
That's my father.
Your father. Okay, well, good. Others?
Yep.
Zahra, what about you? Zahra, are you there? Zahra? Not here. Rohana, what about you, Mbak Rohana? Kok tidak dijawab, Mbak Rohana, Mbak Zahra? So, I'm conducting synchronous meeting that I would like to hear everyone's voice in today's meeting because we have the synchronous, hopefully that we have like face-to-face communication. So it's going to be very great for us as our course is speaking class. So then hopefully everyone is talking, yeah. What about you, Hizbullah? Hizbullah?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, do you have someone you admire? Hizbullah, come on.
Yes, miss.
Who is she? Hizbullah, who is someone you admire? May I know? Boleh saya tahu yang di seseorang yang menjadi inspirasi Hizbullah siapa?
Nggak ada.
Really?
Yes, miss.
Suppose that you have to pick someone. Katakanlah Anda harus memilih satu. Kira-kira siapa?
My mom.
Your mom, okay. Well, okay, the next questions. Now, would you please think, why do you think that you consider that person inspires you? So previous question was what or who, and now why you consider that the person inspires you? Please state at least 2 reasons. Setidaknya berikan saya 2 alasan why that person inspires you. Rifki, can I hear your voice? Yes, Rifki. Rifki Naufan Al-Katiri.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Who inspires you, Rifki?
My parents.
Your parents, okay. Tell the reason.
Because they always give me advice.
Next.
And what?
Second. The second reason, Rifki? First, because they advise you. The second?
And they give an example or they are a role model.
Okay. They give you like the best example, so they are your best role model, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Do you have another one?
No.
No, okay, thank you. What about you, Robbie Arshadani?
Yes, Miss.
Mhm.
My
Inspiring person?
inspiring person is a movie actor,
Mhm.
Hollywood actor.
Mhm. Who is
His
she?
name is Denzel Washington,
Ah,
and why I like him because I think he is a wise man.
okay.
He is an old actor.
Mhm.
He has been through a lot of condition in his life, so he has many experience, and I really like apa yang dia katakan.
What he
I really
says.
like what he said about everything in life.
Ah.
For example, he said, if you pray for the rain, you have to deal with the mud too. Jika kamu berdoa agar hujan, kamu harus berurusan dengan lumpurnya juga. Which mean in everything we choose there is a consequence in that. That's all.
Okay, great. Thank you, Robbie, for raising your voice. Okay. Well, that's very good. I think from Robbie, Robbie talks a bit longer than everyone else, so that's good. What about you? Lo hilang tadi, siapa Mbak Putri tadi hilang ya? Ibad Rizkianto, what do you think? May I hear your voice, Mas Ibad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Mas Ibad, may I know who inspires you in your life?
Siapa ya? Couple, pasangan.
Okay. Why? May I know why do you think that he is inspiring?
Give encouragement, give advice. Memberi semangat.
Give you spirit, enforcement.
Spirit, give advice. Memberi advice, memberi nasihat.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for raising your voice, Ibad. Okay.
Thank you,
good
sir.
trying. Okay. Who else? Anas Sidki. Anas Sadiki. Yeah.
Yes, miss.
May I know? Do you have someone who inspires you in your life?
Yes.
Tell me, who is she or he?
My parents.
Why do you think your parents is inspiring for you?
Inspiring because they always teach good things and always motivates me when I'm down.
Good.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, nothing.
No, nothing. What about you, Salsabila Maula, Mbak Salsabila?
Yes, Miss.
Who inspires you in your life?
My parent is my father.
Your father.
Because he give me everything what I want.
Mhm.
Yes, my father, because he give me everything what I want.
Mhm.
He teach me all apa itu ya, kehidupan.
He teach you about life.
Yep, and I think this nothing is not perfect about him. Just like this my inside.
Okay, well, okay, good. So I'm happy because I almost hear everyone's voice here. So thank you, Mbak Salsabila. And next, it is still I want to hear from you about the one who inspires you. But please now talk other than your parents. Of course, your parents is inspiring for you, but I want to know other than your parents. I would like to invite Mbak Farida Siswani. Are you there, Farida? Yes, Farida? Halo. Saya bingung ini tidak tampak wajah terus tidak tampak suara begitu ya. So yeah, this is our constraint, ini kendalanya online learning ya. So I cannot force you to talk anything because I cannot see you and you are far there, another island. Farida, do you want to raise your voice? What about Mbak Putri Asri? Or any volunteer, tidak perlu ditunjuk. If you want to raise your voice, that's good.
Iya, Miss.
Putri, ya oke, Mbak Putri. May I know?
Maaf, Miss, kurang tahu bahasa Inggris.
Nggak apa-apa. So answer my questions. Mbak Putri, who inspires you in your life? May I know? Boleh saya tahu? Other than your parents.
Maksudnya, Miss?
Do you have someone who inspires you? Mbak Putri tahu apa? Punya seseorang yang menginspirasi tidak dalam hidup? Or you like someone out there, such as Mas Robi has just told us previously?
My mom, Miss.
Other than your parents, selain orang tua, ada nggak?
Nggak ada, Miss.
Really? I think you hold a guitar, yeah. Do you have someone or singer or an actress who you admire, maybe? Di foto profilnya Mbak Putri ini memegang gitar kan. I assume that you have a beautiful voice, so you must have like someone you like, maybe a singer or actress or someone else.
Hanya foto, Miss.
Oh, hanya foto. So you don't have anyone who inspires you in your life other than your parents? Tidak ada, Mbak Putri?
Tidak ada, Miss.
Okay. Setelah ini ada PR ya, so everyone should talk about his or her inspiring person, other than parents, of course. Anyone else? Ini ada 18 loh padahal. Ardani Fatam, what about you? Yes, Ardani.
Person.
Yes. Yes, Mas Ardani.
My son is Buya.
Sorry?
Halo, Miss.
Ya.
Putus ya?
Agak nge-lag gitu sih, putus-putus. Can you repeat?
Inspiring me is Buya Hamka.
Good. Go on with that.
And Muhammad Ali.
Muhammad Ali. Okay. So why do you think that Hamka inspires your life?
Yeah, uh, is not in school or university, but he's got the uh, gelar
Okay.
doctor,
Hmm.
doctor, yeah, with his skill, uh, reading a book and any learning book. Yes, that's
Okay,
it.
so you think that Hamka is very inspiring because he didn't attend school from bachelor degree to PhD maybe, but he got amazing awards, yeah, amazing
Yes,
awards as the national hero, I think, yeah. Okay, well, thank you, Ardani. Anyone else?
yes.
Ada mungkin satu lagi tanpa saya tunjuk? Tidak ada. Kalau tidak ada, saya mau present PPT ya. Setelah ini topik kita tetap berkaitan dengan inspiring person karena tadi belum semuanya menyampaikan pendapatnya, jadi harus dibuat asinkronus begitu ya. Jadi setelah ini ada belajar mandiri tentang inspirational person. So let me share the screen. Sudah terlihat? Can you see the presentations anyway?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. So we gonna discuss about 5 fun facts. Tahu fun facts itu apa ya? Fun itu ya fun, facts adalah fakta about your inspirational person. Tadi misalkan seperti Mbak Putri tidak punya inspirational person, harus dicari ya setidaknya punya. Begitu ya. 5 fun facts about your inspirational person. So that is what to do, planning and researching. So after that, you have to search who is your inspirational person. You have to find 5 fun facts about him or her. The focus question, what are the 5 fun facts about my inspirational person? What do you already know about him or her? I know blah, blah, blah. You can research on Google, what information did you find about him or her? The new information that I found, blah, blah, blah. Begitu ya. Ini planning and researching. Setelah ini bisa dilakukan. Lalu drafting. Drafting kan tadi sudah mencari di internet atau di buku ya. Lalu Anda drafting itu seperti melis begitu, listing. Write down some fun facts about your inspirational person. He or she must be a person related to your discipline. Jadi karena ini harus spesifik ya, sesuai dengan jurusan, silahkan nanti inspirational person-nya terkait dengan HKI. Tidak mungkin terlalu sempit kalau HKI, mungkin bisa agak lebih luas yaitu Islamic Studies, mungkin bisa begitu ya. Any questions up to this? Belum ya. Nanti di list 5 fakta tentang inspirational person. Misalkan tadi Mas siapa tadi? Buya Hamka tadi. Dicari, oh Buya Hamka kecilnya tidak sekolah formal, tapi faktanya diberi gelar doktor, misalkan begitu ya. Oke, sampai 5. Nanti Anda harus meng-create the final product. So creating the final product. So the final touch instruction, create an infographic. Ada yang tahu infografis? Ada yang tahu?
Just like in the picture.
Good. Jadi infografis itu seperti poin-poin begitu. Terima kasih Mas ya. Seperti poin-poin begitu. Nanti misalkan ini seperti Malala ya. Ini ada faktanya, ada banyak sekali. Nanti Anda cukup cantumkan 5 saja. Misalkan Malala, he doesn't go to school. Misalkan she is very concerned about education. Misalkan gitu. Gitu ya. Jadi poin-poinnya saja, tidak perlu kalimat begitu karena infografis itu memang dibuat singkat-singkat dan grafisnya menarik. Create an infographic containing the fun facts about your inspirational person. Itu end product-nya, atau seperti ini. Ini banyak sekali seperti punya Mark Zuckerberg, si pendiri Facebook itu. Lalu kemudian the tech tools for infographic. The common use apps use is Canva. Biasanya aplikasi yang sering digunakan Canva or Pick2Chart. Pick2Chart ini yang sering digunakan if happens you know some other apps that you are familiar with, you can use yours. Yeah, so you don't have to use Canva or Pick2Chart. This is only an options for you. If you have some other apps, that's good. Okay, so the end, present the 5 fun facts about your inspirational person, then self-record your presentations. Afterwards, upload it on your YouTube account or G Drive. Mungkin tidak suka mempublish dirinya, you can send me the G Drive link, then copy the link to this drive. Seperti biasanya itu ya. Any questions? Sampai sini ada pertanyaan?
Tidak.
Tidak. It's all clear.
Yep.
Jadi tokoh yang dipresentasikan sesuai dengan jurusannya, atau kalau sesuai dengan jurusan agak sulit, misalkan hukum Islam siapa? Can anyone help me? Hukum Islam. Syekhul Islam Ibnu Taimiyah, mungkin gitu. Tahu siapa lagi? Hukum Islam termasuk ekonomi nggak? Enggak ya? Apalagi hukum Islam? Siapa lagi? Anyone of you know one inspiring person in relation to hukum Islam?
Yusuf Qaradawi, maybe.
Yusuf Qaradawi. Good. Mbak Cempaka, you want to raise your voice? Atau ahli hadis kan hukum berarti kan ya? Ahli hadis, mufti itu kan ahli hukum berarti. Ahli hukum Islam maksud saya. Itu ya, atau you can use the international one or the local one. Ahli hukum Islam di Indonesia siapa kira-kira? Do you know someone in Indonesia? Refli Harun, bukan hukum Islam ya. Refli Harun hukum perdata. Okay, you can pick one, or maybe scholar. Scholar kan juga berbicara tentang hukum Islam. Scholar itu ilmuwan atau ulama. Muslim scholar means ulama. Okay, no questions. I'm going to post the PowerPoint into WhatsApp group so everyone can refer to it. So ini deadline-nya tidak harus hari ini. You can submit by the end of enaknya hari apa? 1 pekan cukup?
Cukup, Ming.
Yes, I think it's enough.
Sekali ya, cukup sekali. Jadi pertama Anda research on Google, di list 5 fakta, kemudian disampaikan secara poin-poin saja di Canva atau aplikasi yang lain, kemudian self-record yourself. Sebenarnya intinya ada di self-record yourself, karena ini speaking, I'm going to assess your speaking. Tidak harus sempurna, karena kita belajar, jadi saya tahu ada beberapa yang bagus, kemarin saya lihat, bukan itu yang saya lihat, tapi yang dilihat adalah progresnya ya, karena kita belajar. Okay, so don't worry. The key of being successful in speaking skill that you make a lot of mistakes. So don't worry about making mistakes. That's it. No questions. All good.
Yep.
Okay, thank you very much. So thank you for your active participation. See you next meeting, inshallah. Bye everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.